G'day everyone, my name is Jacob, and for this activity, everyone will need to stand up. Alright. So over here we are. Okay, so this is what you can do. Hands up if you're familiar with the way that this works with Desmos. Alrighty, sweet. Okay, so I've given away the first one. Right, so my hair's up, I'm in teacher mode. G'day year 11, alright, so I know it's only the second week of year 11, you're still getting to know each other. But to figure out what you know and don't know about graphs, and for you to figure out what you do and don't know about graphs from last year, we're going to do a bit of an activity here. So what I'll do is I'll highlight one of these, okay, it's highlighted. So this is one we're focusing on this round. We'll do several rounds for each formula, alright? So you look at that and think, what would that look like as a graph? Then I'll say close your eyes. And at that moment, you all use your arms to predict what you think it'll look like. Alright, so have a go now, everyone. Very good, very good. Alright, so and let's check. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Okay, so the reason I get you to close your eyes is so you don't cheat. Alright, I get to see what you're actually thinking. Alrighty, so that was the practice run. Now, what about this next one I'm highlighting? Alright, have a think. Now, when I tell you to close your eyes, that's the moment where you use your arms to predict. Ready, set, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes and predict. Alright, very nice. 3, 2, 1, open. So you can see what your friends were doing, okay? And that's what it actually looks like. Alright, so now what about this following one? What do you reckon about this one? What do you reckon it's going to do? 3, 2, 1, close your eyes and predict. Alright, very good. All of you are quite skilled at this. You remember a lot from year 10. There's the actual one. It's a bit narrower. See, there's the comparison with the first one. Alright, now, sometimes you need to move over a bit and go down, combination of both. With your eyes closed, a bit tricky. And anyway, so that's the basic idea of that. So now I'm in pre-service teacher mode. You can all sit back down if you like. Right. Now, just quickly, so here are the instructions, and number 5, which we didn't get to because you're all competent mathematicians. If there was anything that people misconceptions, use that as an opportunity to discuss. Right? That's very important, and if they need to write something down to remember it for next time, use that opportunity. You've got workbooks in front of you, students would too. Right? So number 5 is the most important step of this activity. So there are some downsides. When notating this, it's not very formal, a bit incomplete, whereas there are plenty of benefits. It's engaging. We're all out, dancing graphs and so on, but it's also embodied, which activates your schemata quite well, and creates memories quite well. I need to read more research on that, but anyway. It's also adaptable and it's quick and easy. You can throw any kinds of formulas. I wrote those myself, right? And so they progress in difficulty. Quick and simple and easy to implement, as you said. Well, I mean, with logging in and so on thingo. But most of all, it's formative not only for the teacher, but and I can write number 6. A lot of the kids have trouble with that or something. But so you, the students, get meta comprehension from it. So you get to predict, throw your idea out there, and then you get immediate gratification from the graph. You can see it, but most importantly, then we have that discussion, that step 5, so that we can clarify any misconceptions and then make a note of it for later. Thank you for participating.